somebody who's a maintenance person and knows how to help. Because, ooh girl, I need your help. But if I run the disposal, the other side fills with water. And then if you turn the disposal off, the water comes back. Because in my fridge, the bottom of the fridge also is full of water. That's referred to in this house as the fridge piss. Are either of these problems that I can fix without $1 million?
Okay, so the sink clog, you've already got that mostly figured out. What's happening is there's a clog in the main, so the water has no place to go except back and forth between the two bowls. I'm a big fan of Sizzle Drain Cleaner myself. You won't find this at Lowe's and Home Depot. You'll have to go to a professional plumbing supply store. This happened to me many years ago when the kids washed some rice down the sink. The rice expanded in the drain, which created a clog. We'll talk about fridge piss in part 2.